Curtis Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at the Sedeep impact wrench. And this is an 1100 foot-pound impact wrench. It's a 1/2 inch socket drive. Comes with 2 batteries. The charger comes with 17 to 24 millimeter sockets, and it also comes with an extension, which is great for lug nuts and other tight to reach spots. The carrying case is really nice too. It's got a heavy duty plastic carrying case that fits everything. It also has foam inserts to help your tools from rattling around. It also has a manual that goes over the different features of the impact wrench and some spare parts as well. This is a great kit to get, especially with a really nice carrying case, so you can have everything all in one. You don't have to put this somewhere up on your bench and lose your parts for it. You can just kind of keep it all together, which is nice to see. It comes with 2 21-volt batteries, which is nice, and it comes with a full dock charger to charge them. That way you can charge one while you're using the other. You can push the button here to see how much it's charged on the end and use this button to put them on or off. Very simple to use. When you pretty much just charge the batteries, pop it on, and you're good to go. A couple things: you can change the direction by pushing the direction here. In the center, it's a lockout, so it won't work when it's on there. LED light, so that when you're using it, you can see better, especially in dark lit places. So a couple other things to note: this is a pressure sensitive trigger, so if you pull it just a little bit, it'll go slow. So you can change the speed based on how far you pull the trigger, which is nice to see. And then when you're tightening, it does have a couple different options. If you push this button here, it will change the speed, and it goes slow, medium, and fast. This is slow, medium, fast. So it does have different options for tightening. And then if you switch it to the loosening mode, you'll notice that this lights up. If this is on, what will happen is this. It will stop after you've loosened, so it won't rip the entire bolt all the way off. And even if you hold the trigger down, it will stop on its own. And then if you push the button here, it will allow that to be turned off, so you can just loosen as much as you want. So it's the option switches based on if you're in tighten or loosen mode. So it's nice to see that it's set up very simply. So tighten and then loosen options there. And then this is your battery life on this one here. And again, some of these are pretty confusing how they're set up. This one's very simple. So it rips this thing right off, didn't even blink. This is 1100 foot-pounds, and these are only like 90 foot-pounds. So again, it's not gonna have any trouble with this. And this is a really nice unit, and it's really simple to use. It's got a lot of good features, and the best part about it is it's simple. I have the option here to add on a tool belt attachment or a workbench. You can put a little clip here. It does have that on both sides. The impact wrench itself feels very sturdy. Sometimes when you get these impact wrenches, they kind of feel like cheap or plasticky, and this one does feel very heavy and well built. If you're looking to purchase the Sedeep impact wrench, check out a link down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know those as well.